Yeah. And to bring people into doubt, especially in the time of great disappointment. But I can assure you that this time-setting message that God has given to me will bring you for a clear understanding of God's last message of mercy. Before the provision end, especially in our present time, it is very familiar to all Christians, especially to their pastors and ministers, that written in Matthew chapter 24 verse 36, no man knoweth the day and hour of his coming. But if we continue to read verse 42, the counsel is, watch ye therefore, because you don't know the hour that master cometh. So if you watch and pray, you will know the hour of his return, not like a thief, because ye are all children of the light or day. We are not of the night nor of darkness. Revelation chapter 3 verse 3, 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 1 to 5, Acts 17:31, Hosea 6:2. Fundamental Education 335. The true time-setting message is, they know the exact date, hour, and year of Christ's birth by the means of Bible calendar. If you want to know the key, why we can give a specific date of mystery, just contact us so that we can send you a chart as a study guide. Thank you and God bless us all. Please search the scripture for your own salvation.